Hello everyone, today I'm presenting the PNI TC100 toolkit. It features a simple open-close system and a handle that can be used both for carrying and for securing the kit. You can use it both at home and at work, as it contains 100 pieces that can help you in various situations. The tools are made of carbon steel and chrome vanadium. And the kit case is molded from plastic, which helps you keep the tools always organized. To detail the contents of the kit, I will present each item individually. First of all, a 3-meter measuring tape, a set of 9 socket wrenches ringing, a 7-inch plier, 3 sets of 10 bits each in different shapes, a claw hammer, an 8-inch adjustable wrench, a bit extension, a Phillips screwdriver, a handle with a magnetic bar, a flathead screwdriver, 2 precision screwdrivers 3 by 50 mm, 2 precision screwdrivers 2.5 by 50 mm, a ratchet handle, insulation tape, an utility knife, 5 hex keys, and a small box with screws and wall plugs. Tell me in the comments what do you think about this product and if you'd like to try it. I'm Adina, and until next time, good luck and lots of inspiration.